Do you want to tag people on the Instagram story? You can tag someone on the Insta story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To tag people in an Instagram story, first, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the top left or swipe right on the home screen to create a new story. A new screen appears. Select a photo or video from your gallery or take a new one using the camera. After selecting or taking a picture, tap on the emoji icon at the top of the screen. A new screen appears with different options. From here, select Mention. Now, type the username of the person you want to tag. Instagram will suggest usernames as you type at the bottom of the screen. Select the correct username from the list to tag them in your story. Once you're satisfied, tap on your story or close friends to share your story. The tagged person will receive a notification, and they can repost your story if they choose to.